Hey, thank you so much for purchasing the Transposable Fingering document. I appreciate your support. I'd like to record a couple videos and show you some exercises I did that I think were very helpful in incorporating those fingerings into my playing, and hopefully you'll enjoy them as much as I have. So the first exercise I would do is I would play the saxophone fingering followed immediately by the transposable fingering. And some of them, it's the same. So like C major, they're the same. So here we go, C major. Then C sharp with the saxophone fingering. Transposable fingering. D major is the same on both. E flat, saxophone fingering. E flat, transposable fingering. E major, saxophone fingering. E major, transposable fingering. F is the same on both. F sharp, saxophone fingering. F sharp, transposable fingering. G is the same in both. A flat, saxophone fingering. A flat, transposable fingering. A major, saxophone. A major, transposable. B flat, saxophone. B flat, transposable. B major, saxophone. That wasn't really it. I'll do that again. I used biz B flat. I'm going to use side B flat. I'll do it again. There we go. Then the transposable B. And there you go. That's the exercise. I would try to keep in mind at the beginning, since all these fingerings are new, so you're definitely in a vocabulary stage. And anytime you're learning a bunch of vocabulary, speed will be your enemy, because it will bring stress into the environment and it'll slow the learning curve. So slow down, be calm, give your brain a lot of time to assimilate this. And I hope this helps you.